Hi students, in my earlier videos you have learned some important terms on profit and loss and some important formulas for solving profit and loss problems. Students, let us learn some problems. Let us consider the first problem. If the ratio between the cost price and the selling price is 10:11, find the profit percent. Students, here given that CP is to SP equal to 10:11. Let the cost price equal to 10x and selling price equal to 11x. Therefore, profit equal to 11x minus 10x, that is x. Students, we know profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100%. Here profit equal to rupees x, so it is x by what is the cost price, that is 10x into 100%. So x cancelled, that is 10%. So the profit percent is 10%. Students, let us consider the second problem. The selling price of an article is 9/5 times that of the cost price. Find the profit percent. Students, here given that selling price equal to 9/5 times of cost price, that is 9/5 into cost price. Therefore, selling price by cost price equal to 9/5. Hence the ratio is 9/5. Hence SP is to CP equal to 9:5. Let selling price equal to 9x and the cost price equal to 5x. Clearly SP greater than CP, therefore profit is there. Hence profit equal to SP minus CP equal to 9x minus 5x, that is 4x. Therefore profit percent equal to 4x by what is the cost price, 5x into 100%, that is here x cancelled, it is 20, that is 80%. Therefore profit percent equal to 80%. Students, here given that selling price is the 9/5 times of CP, therefore we get SP by CP equal to 9/5, that is SP is to CP equal to 9:5. Let SP equal to 9x and Cp equal to 5x. Therefore the profit is 9x minus 5x equal to 4x. Hence profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100, that is 80%. Students, let us consider the third problem. Arup bought an old TV for rupees 1500 and incurred expenses rupees 150 for transportation and rupees 350 for repairing the TV. If he sold the TV for rupees 2500, find his profit percent. Students, here cost price of the old TV equal to rupees 1500. Students, the overhead cost rupees 150 for transportation and rupees 350 for repairing. Therefore total cost equal to rupees 1500 cost price of the TV plus rupees 150 as transportation cost plus rupees 350, that is repairing charges, equals to rupees 2000. Students, here given that cost price of that old TV is 1500 and two overhead costs are there, that is 150 for transportation cost and rupees 350 for repairing the TV. Therefore total cost of the TV equal to 2000 and selling price equal to rupees 2500. Clearly selling price of the TV is more than the cost price of the TV. Therefore profit equal to rupees 2500 minus 2000, total cost equal to rupees 500. Therefore profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100%. This implies that profit percent equals to 500 by what is the cost price, that is 2000 into 100% equals to 25%. Students, let us consider the fourth problem. Two TVs were sold for rupees 6000 each, thereby gaining 20% on one TV and losing 20% on the other TV. How much was gained or lost in the whole transaction? Also find the profit or loss percent in the whole transaction. Students, the selling price of each TV is given. So selling price of two TVs equal to 2 into rupees 6000, that is rupees 12,000. Now we have to calculate the cost price of each TV In the first transaction, the TV is sold on 20% profit. So SP is rupees 6,000, profit equal to 20%. Therefore, 120% of CP equal to rupees 6,000. This implies that 1% of CP equal to rupees 6,000 by 120. This implies that 100% of CP equal to rupees 6,000 by 120 into 100 equals to rupees 5,000. Therefore, the cost price of the first TV is rupees 5,000, and whenever the TV is sold for rupees 6,000, where loss is 20%, so in the second case, selling price equal to rupees 6,000 and loss equal to 20%. Therefore, 80% of cost price equal to rupees 6,000. Students, in the second case, there is a loss of 20%. Therefore, 80% of the cost price equal to 6,000. Hence, 1% of CP equal to rupees 6,000 by 80. Therefore, 100% of CP equal to rupees 6,000 by 80 into 100. Equal to rupees 7,500. So in the second case, whenever 20% loss is there, then the cost price of the second TV is 7,500. Therefore, total cost price equal to rupees 5,000 plus rupees 7,500 equals to rupees 12,500. Students, here see, total cost price of the two TVs is 12,500 and the selling price is 12,000. Hence, CP greater than SP. Therefore, there is a loss. Hence, loss equal to CP minus SP, that is rupees 12,500 minus rupees 12,000 equal to rupees 500. So, the total loss for the whole transaction is rupees 500 and loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100%, that is 500 by 12,500. Total cost price is 12,500 into 100%, that is 4%. Hence, loss percent for the whole transaction is 4%. Students, let us consider the fifth problem. A seller purchased 50 dozens of eggs of rupees 3000. 5 dozens eggs were spoiled and could not be sold. At what price the seller sell the remaining eggs so that he makes a profit of 20%? Students, here given that cost price of 50 dozens of eggs equal to rupees 3000. 5 dozens eggs were spoiled. So eggs spoiled and not sold. Therefore, eggs left equal to 50 dozen minus 5 dozen equal to 45 dozen. Now see, the whole transaction is made to earn a profit of 20%. Here CP equal to rupees 3000 and profit equal to 20%. Therefore, selling price equal to rupees 3000 plus 20% of CP, that is rupees 3000 plus 20 by 100 into 3000 equals to rupees 3600. Therefore, selling price of 45 dozen eggs equal to 3600. So we get selling price of 45 dozen eggs equal to rupees 3600. Therefore, selling price of 1 dozen egg equal to rupees 3600 by 45, that is rupees 80. Therefore, selling price of 1 dozen egg is rupees 80. Students, in this video 5 important problems are solved. Students, if you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.